I realized that I was my own worst enemy. Nothing in this life is free. Nothing in this life will be handed to you. I had to finally take control of my life and stop playing the victim.
Hi, my name is Darlene Scott, and I am a licensed professional counselor and a professional life coach. My message to you today is simple. Do not be anxious about what God has already ordained to be yours. Do not be nervous, do not be depressed, do not be stressed out, because it's already yours. A wise man once wrote, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything, with prayer, supplication, and thanksgiving, make your requests known to the Lord." Now, why would this wise man write, "You should be thankful"? And the reason why is because when you are operating from a place of anxiety or a place of depression, you have a bunch of negative emotions. And these negative emotions will hold you back. They will stop you from accomplishing the very thing that you are stressed about. So you have to operate from a place of appreciation, a place of gratitude, and a place of self-love. So do not be anxious, but be thankful. Be thankful, not in some things, but in all things. So even when people are being negative and people are trying to tear you down, you be thankful, you be grateful. Even when people can't see your vision because the vision was only given to you, you be grateful, you be thankful, and you're grateful and you're thankful. And when you're at that place, you are flying high. You are operating at such a high frequency that every action that you take from that place of gratitude and appreciation is inspired action. And that is the key. The key is taking inspired action, getting yourself focused, getting yourself calm, and understanding that if I am negative, if I am doubting myself, and if I have a lack of faith in the process, that's going to hold me back. The distance between where you want to be and where you are becomes bigger and bigger. The more you talk down to yourself, the more you lack confidence, the further you are away from your goal. Whatever your dream is, whatever your vision is, hold on to it. Don't be anxious. Don't be nervous. The vision was given to you because you are the only one that can execute it. You are the only one that has the gifts, the talent, and the personal life experience to do whatever it is that you're being called to do. So my message for you today is simple. Don't give up. Don't be anxious. Don't be discouraged. But simply have a feeling of thanksgiving, have a feeling of gratitude, and operate from that emotion and take only inspired action. My name is Darlene Scott, and I can be reached at d.scott@basic-bliss.com.